Let's have a quick discussion about a two-speed pool pump versus a variable speed pool pump. Which one is better? Which one should you buy? I'm still squarely in the category that variable speed pool pumps are better. They're more dynamic, they're more versatile, you can do more things with them, but there is a market for a two-speed pool pump still. It's better than a single speed pool pump in terms of the efficiency, because you can turn the motor RPM down by half, and that way you're consuming about 1/8 of the power it would normally consume at the maximum speed. So that's good, but it lacks versatility. You can't change the flow rate. Like, what if the flow rate you get at half speed isn't useful for your pool, or isn't useful enough for your pool equipment to do the thing it needs to do? In that case, and then that's most of the cases, the two-speed pool pump isn't going to cut it. A variable speed pool pump, more money for sure, is still going to be the recommendation here. But there are some very basic, very entry-level swimming pools which perhaps would be better served to buy a two-speed pool pump, just because it represents significantly less initial cost. It's going to cost you a lot less to buy than any variable speed pool pump, so that's a benefit. And it still does have some measure of, electrical efficiency, being that you can operate it at half speed. If your pool is very simple and you don't need to run a bunch of peripheral equipment like heaters and salt chlorinators and things like that, then perhaps a two-speed pool pump could be for you. But for most people, for most swimming pools, I'm recommending that a variable speed pool pump is the way to go. It's not just the versatility, like, yes, it is, I love that, but also it's a TEFC motor, totally enclosed fan-cooled motor. It's a little bit of a divergence from what an older pool pump used to be, where the motor windings were open to ambient air and dust and moisture and things like that. Like, a totally enclosed fan-cooled motor design is by far superior, in addition to this permanent magnet design motor just simply being more efficient. Like, apples to apples compared, it's more efficient to have one of these newer variable speed pool pumps versus the older ones. But for me, it's really the versatility of this variable speed rheostatic control of the motor RPM and subsequent flow rates. I find that to be worth the investment. I think with some smart dialing in of your scheduling, you can save a considerable amount of cost on electricity over the operational service life of the pump. I think essentially it can pay for itself in full, and so that's why I recommend variable speed pool pumps for everybody. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.